Here's a little bit more trimming on the tree. The sun might be shining in the wrong direction. But anyhow, these two limbs right here, this one and this one, pretty low to walk under. And it stops a lot of sun from coming into the yard. So I cut this back today and took it out to the street in front. And that opened that up to let a little more sun hit that yard that I'm trying to get to grow. But we'll get her. So you wouldn't think it'd be that much, but this is the limbs that come off of the tree just by cutting them two limbs off. So hopefully tomorrow the city will pick this up, and if not, it'll be there until they do. So everybody give me a like, share, comment. I'll get back with you. Have a blessed day. God bless. Bye.